I'm on the verge of caving and I'm back to the dark. Now I'm Mr. Charisma, fucking Pablo Escobar. My friends are saying, shut up, Kevin, just get in the car. I just wanna be right where you are.
I'm going to show you guys how I like to detangle the hair after a balayage service, and I'm going to be using the Pallure Bond and Shine Leave-In Conditioning Spray. 90% of the time, I can usually get the teasing out during the shampoo, but for my clients with that really fine, tangly hair, these are just little things that make it easier for not only my client, but for me as well. First things first, always use some type of wet brush because it's literally made for detangling wet hair, so you'll be able to get through it a lot easier and it won't damage the hair. Second thing to make this process a little less painful for the client is to section out the hair starting at the nape and just try to start brushing the ends of the hair first, and once that's detangled, you can brush it from the root. As I'm sectioning up the head, I just let the hair fall where it wants to and I don't try to force any clean partings. As long as your sections aren't too big, it will be fine. I actually prefer to use a leave-in conditioner like this one because not only does it detangle, but it also keeps the hair feeling super soft and smooth, and it's also a heat protectant, which we all need.